Dear viewers, let's talk about two dangerous things. The final Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. The summary of this hadith is as follows. As much damage as two hungry wolves cause to an unprotected flock of sheep, even more damage is caused to a person's faith by loving money and fame. Allahu Akbar. Dear viewers, for example, a flock of sheep are left alone by their shepherd, leaving them alone and defenseless. If two extremely hungry wolves were to attack this flock of sheep, how much destruction would there be? Under normal circumstances, the wolves may only manage to eat one or two sheep. But in this case, the shepherd is not there, so they are free to eat as many as they want. By means of this excellent example, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam indicated towards that destructions, loving wealth and status can bring to one's faith and warned us to save ourselves from them. Dear viewers, love of wealth and status both leads to hypocrisy. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, love of wealth and desire for status gives rise to hypocrisy in the heart, similarly to how water causes vegetables to grow. May Allah protect us from the love of wealth and fame. Ameen bijahi khatamin nabiyyin sallallahu alayhi wasallam.